how to open your own Thinkific account with the 3-month free trial on the Pro Plus Growth Plan. Now, the Pro Plus Growth Plan is the highest, most advanced features functional plan that Thinkific offers, other than the enterprise version, which you only need if you are a huge, large corporate or have thousands and hundreds of thousands and hundreds of thousands of students. So the Pro Plus Growth is the best plan for an advanced online course creator or expert looking to have every feature for a super professional learning experience for your clients, customers, and students. So to get your 3-month free trial, if you don't have an account yet, go to sarahcordiner.com/Thinkific Pro. That's sarahcordiner.com/Thinkific Pro, and that will take you through to the secret 3-month free trial page. Now, by the way, there are no other Thinkific experts that actually have access to this 3 months free trial access, so it is a really special, unique offer. Now, just to be aware, it's here. It's got your 3-month Pro Plus Growth Plan trial. It will just make sure that that's on there. Pop in your email address and press I agree and claim my offer. And then that will take you to the page where it asks you to put in the name of your business, the name of your school. Don't worry too much about what you put in there, and that can all be changed afterwards. So none of it's completely set in stone, but you will need to pop in your credit card details that will not be charged until after the 3-month period has passed. So it will ask you to put in those credit card details. So if 3 months down the line you decide it's not for you, you can downgrade to the basic plan. But while we're on that, let's just have a quick look. If I just take you through to the pricing page here. Now, obviously at the time of filming this video, the pricing could update at any time. Unbeknown to me when that will or won't happen, I'm not Thinkific. But if you want to make sure that you are looking at the most up-to-date pricing, please go to thinkific.com/pricing to see what the current pricing is right now. But you will see here that it very clearly shows you what the differences are between the packages that you get. Now, by the way, the plan that you have with my free trial is Pro Plus Growth. So this one here called the Growth Package, this is the one that you have the free trial for. So if you click on this link here, Sarah at thinkific.com/pricing, it will tell you here just all the stuff that you actually get, just how amazing it is, all the features and functions that you have. So that's just to give you a little heads up there. Now, if you already have a Thinkific account and you want to benefit from the 3-month free trial, simply log into your Thinkific account right now. And go to log out. So simply log out completely of your account. Then go to sarahcordiner.com/Thinkific Pro and claim the offer with the same email address that you have used for your existing account. It will then take you to the page to log into your school again. Log back into your school again, and then go down to your account. So you click on whatever it says, your name, your account, go to update plan. And then when you're inside the update plan, select the growth plan. And then it will ask you to pop in your credit card details, and then it will automatically upgrade you to growth, but it won't charge your card for 3 months. Now, if you have trouble with any of that, please let me know or let my team know, and we will get that sorted for you with Thinkific. But that is how you get your 3-month free trial. Simply go to sarahcordiner.com/Thinkific Pro, log in, pop your credit card details down, and you will then have access to all of the pro features so that you can get yourself set up, or us for you if we're doing it for you, in all of those advanced features.